Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I will share you on how to pay our loan in cash now with pay once. So it means guys, it's only 1 month, pay once. So okay guys, we will select the amount guys. Our credit in pay once is only 1,000 dirham. There is no interest in pay once if you take the 1 month. So after that one guys, we need to select repay 1,000. Okay, so it's showing here is 1,010 dirham and 50 pills. So per early settlement guys, you have discount of 1%. It means 10 dirham and 50 pills. So if we pay this one before the due date, we will the 10 dirham is deducted. So we will pay only 1,000 dirham. So okay guys, select repay the amount of 1,000 dirham because we have discount of 10 dirham and 50 pills. So select repay for 1,000 guys. And after that one guys, we need to how to pay. Pay with the bank debit card or pay in the kiosk. So if you want to pay in the kiosk or recharge machine, support NT and UP machine. So how to use the kiosk? So step 1 is find your nearest kiosk in your place. And then after that one guys, step 2, select pay by option and scan the QR code. So if you don't have QR code, just put manually your mobile number registered in pay by and Butim account. So the third step guys is we need to confirm your pay by and mobile account number. And after that one guys, the fourth step is we need to pay online. So after this one guys, insert the banknotes and accept one by one in the machine. So step 5, repay cash now with your balance. Then we will go back this one guys to go in the pay online. So after this one guys, select the pay online. And after that one guys, the amount of 1,000 is showing already. Then select repay. Then 1,000 is there. Deduct to the balance of pay by and cash now. So there is 3 options: add card, balance, debit card, and add card. So select the balance of your pay by and Butim account. And after that one guys, proceed to pay. And after that one guys, so transaction successfully. So we will get message from the cash now that our credit from them is already paid, and we will check if how much is our offer. So guys, repay submitted and payment succeed. So we will check our offer for the next loan of cash now. So take note guys, this loan is only pay once, so there is no interest of this. So our offer guys is 1,100, 2-3 for 3 months and 3-1 for 6 months. So thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. If you have question, just comment.